In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can sell your crypto on the BingX app and get your money directly to your bank account. Now, let's say, for example, you have crypto in your BingX account and you're looking to sell it. Or maybe you have crypto in another app, or maybe someone wants to send you crypto and you want to sell it to get your money. You can do that on the BingX app. Just tell the person to transfer your crypto to the BingX app, and then you can sell it on the BingX app and get your money directly to your bank account. Now, I already have a video now you can buy your crypto on the BingX app directly from your bank account. The link to that video will be in the description below. But this video is to show you how to sell your crypto. So the first thing you want to do right here is to make sure that you have some crypto you want to sell already. So when I come under asset right here and I open it, you see that I have some asset right here in my BingX account. So that's the first thing you must do. Or maybe if you have your crypto in another app, or maybe someone wants to send you crypto, just transfer the crypto right to your BingX account. So once you have the crypto right here, the next thing is to convert that cryptocurrency to USDT. That is if the cryptocurrency is not USDT. So if you have other cryptocurrencies aside USDT, make sure you convert that cryptocurrency to USDT on the BingX app. And how do you do that? Now you can see on the screen right here, I have USDT, ETH, and XRP in my wallet. So let's say, for example, I want to sell the ETH and the XRP. I want to sell both. So I'll just have to convert both cryptocurrencies to USDT. So to do that, I'll just come right here up, I'll just scroll up and click on where you have convert. So I'll click on it, and then I'll click on cryptocurrency right here. And then the next thing is to select the cryptocurrency I want to convert from to the cryptocurrency I want to convert to. So you can see right here where it says BTC, that's where I'll select the cryptocurrency I want to convert. So I'll click on it right here, and then I'll select ETH. Remember, it is ETH and XRP I want to convert to USDT. But let's do ETH first. So I have ETH right here, and then I have USDT here already. So if I want to convert ETH, I'll just enter the amount of ETH I want to convert right here. So you can see the minimum amount of ETH you can convert is 0.0033 ETH, and I have 0.004 ETH. So I'll just put in the amount right here. Or if you want to convert everything you have in your wallet, just click on all right here where the arrow is pointing to. So I'll just click on it. So once you click on it, it will show you the amount of USDT you will get. So just click on convert right here. So once you click on convert, at the bottom side of the screen, click on confirm, and then you can see the asset has been converted to fund account. And if you have other cryptocurrencies to convert, you can convert them right here. So the next one is XRP. So I'll just come right here again to this ETH and select XRP. So this is XRP right here, just select it. And then again, you enter the amount of XRP you want to convert. So I'll just click on all right here because I want to convert all the XRP I have in my wallet. I'll just click on all right there. So once you click on all, you see the amount of USDT you will receive, and you click on convert. And at the bottom side of the screen, you click on confirm. So you can see the assets have been converted. So you just go back to your wallet right here. So this is my wallet. If I just come right here to this bottom, so let me just reload it. So you can see right here, the amount of ETH I have is just $0.32, while the XRP is just $0.2. They have been converted already. And then you can see my USDT is $164. So once you have everything converted to USDT, make sure that USDT is in your fund account. So to do that, just come here to where you have fund at the top. So once you click on fund, you see the USDT right here. So you can see my USDT is in my fund account. If it is not in your fund account, maybe it's in your futures account, just click on transfer right here. Click on transfer. And then you can see where it says from fund to standard futures. You change it to from futures. So I just click on USDT and futures. From futures to, you change this standard futures to fund. So that means I'm transferring from my perpetual futures account to my fund account. That's if the USDT is in your futures account. So since my own is not in the futures account, my own is already in the fund account, I don't need to do this. So let's go back. So the next thing you want to do is to go to your home page. Now you come right here and click on home right here. And then you click on where you have more, where the arrow is pointing to. And then you click on P2P trading where the arrow is pointing to right here. Now this is the P2P trading page on BingX. Now the next thing you want to do is to click on sell right here because we are selling our crypto. It is if you are buying, then you click on buy, but if you are selling your crypto, you click on sell. Now to sell your crypto, don't forget I'm teaching you how to sell your crypto and get your money directly to your bank account. So you need to put your bank account on BingX before you can go ahead and do any transaction. So to put your bank account, just click on these three dots at the top right corner of the screen. So once you click on it, you can see where it says payment method. You click on it right there. So you can see I don't have any payment method right here. So at the bottom side of the screen, you click on add a payment method. So right here is where you see the different payment methods that you can use. So for me, I want to use bank transfer. I want the person to send my money to me via bank transfer because I want to get it in my bank. But you can see other payment methods right here. There are multiple payment methods right here. You will almost find any payment method you are looking for. But right here is bank transfer, so you can see it. I'll just click on bank transfer right there. So what I just need to enter is just my bank account number, account opening branch, which is optional. You don't need to enter that. And then my bank name and the name. That is my name. So I'll just go right here and enter all of these details.
A few moments later.
So you can see I've just added the payment method. I'm covering it because of privacy. So I've just added the payment method. So I'll just go back. Just click the arrow right there. Now the next thing you want to do is to make sure that where you have this NGN, it is in your local currency. So if I click on NGN right here, you just look for your local currency and select it. Now my local currency is Nigerian Naira because I'm from Nigeria. So that's why mine is on NGN. But if you scroll down, you will find your country's local currency right here and select it. So I'll just select NGN right there. And then next is to enter the amount. So I'll just come right here to where I have amount. I'll enter the amount of USDT I want to sell. So let's say I want to sell 30,000 Naira worth of USDT. I'll just put it right there. Don't forget you're entering it in your local currency. So for me it's Naira. So let's say I want to sell USDT worth of 30,000 Naira. I'll just put it right there. And then I'll just click on confirm. And then the trade method, I'll pick bank transfer. So I want the person to send my money to me via bank transfer. Then I'll just click on OK again. And then to show you the different people that you can trade with right here. Now this first person is Israel Trat, that's the person's username. And the last 30 days, this person has done 726 trades. And this person is ready to buy 1 USDT from us at 1,636 Naira. And then the limit, this person is buying between 10,000 Naira to 12 million Naira. And don't forget I'm selling USDT worth of 30,000 Naira, so I can trade with this person. So you also see other people right here. So you pick anybody that you are okay trading with. So if I want to trade with this first person, I'll just click on sell right here. And then next thing is to enter the amount I want to get in my wallet. So you can enter the amount in USDT or in Naira. So if you want to enter the amount in USDT, just click on by amount right here and come here and enter the amount of USDT you want to sell. So if you want to sell 10 USDT, I'll just enter 10 right there. And then to show me the amount I'll receive in Naira. So for 10 USDT, I'll be receiving 16,361 Naira in my bank account. But let's, for example, I want to enter the amount in Naira. I'll just click on by value right here. And then I'll just enter the amount in Naira. So let's say 30,000 Naira. So that's it. That means I'm selling 18.33 USDT. So I'll just click on sell with 0 fee. So the next thing is to select your payment method, which is bank transfer. I'll just click on this arrow. And then to show me my payment method I've entered. So my payment method is the bank details I entered earlier. So I'll just select it. And then once you've done that, at the bottom side of the screen, you click on sell. So you can see at the top, it says pending payment. So you can see the countdown has started for the person to make payment. So all I have to do right now is just wait for the person to send the money to my bank account.
A few moments later.
So as you can see on the screen, the person has made payment. So I will confirm the payment and then I will come back and click on confirm receipt.
A few moments later.
So I'll just confirm the payment from the person. So I'll just come to the bottom side of the screen and click on confirm receipt. And then you see right away it says, have you received the payment? So you see, I haven't checked my account about it. And the second one is I have received the payment and the payer's name is the same as the buyer's KYC name. So if you have received it, just click on the second one right here and click on continue. And then you can see successfully sold. So I've sold 18.33 USDT. I'll just click on complete. So that is the simple way to sell your crypto on the BingX app. So if you are someone that maybe you have crypto on BingX, this is how you can sell it and get your money directly to your bank account. Or maybe you have crypto on another app that cannot allow you to withdraw directly to your bank account. Just transfer that crypto to BingX and convert it to USDT just like I've done in this video and sell it and get your money directly to your bank account. Or maybe if someone wants to send you crypto, maybe from another country, just give the person your USDT wallet address on BingX. The person will send the crypto to you and then you withdraw it on BingX using this process and get your money directly to your bank account. Thank you for watching, and if you want to learn how to buy crypto directly from your bank account on BingX, I have a video on that. The link to that video will be in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.